So here I am at the bamboo workshop at Jasy Kua. Brenda just booked me on a bamboo course and gave me the directions to go to. I didn't really know what to expect, but I've just arrived here. I still don't know much about what's going on here today, but it is a bamboo course and I'm really looking forward to it. But I brought the camera and I thought if I saw anything interesting, I might fire it up. And the first thing that I've been confronted by is this stunning place. It feels like I'm back in Mexico or somewhere, and it's just the most beautiful resort. I understand they have some accommodation here, not too far from the township of Atyra. A really easy drive. It's in an ideal location. It's a really stunning property, and it's got so many beautiful trees and different things going on. These look like massive eucalypts and some different varieties of bamboo, so obviously that's what we're here for. I'm really looking forward to getting into this because bamboo is something that is really needed here because the timber supplies are exhausted here, unfortunately. And it's one of the sad things about this country and many others is that it's definitely leaned too hard on its native timber, so bamboo is definitely the way to go. And I understand that the guy taking the course here today is quite skilled in the craft of dealing with bamboo. So it's going to be really awesome to check that out. But hey, this is really quite a special property, really quite beautiful. And the good thing is we've just recently acquired some land. I'll be talking more about that in future videos. And I'd like to incorporate some bamboo into what we're doing there. We have all sorts of plans, and that's going to be something that we're really looking forward to sharing more about. But this facility is like really beautiful. This is obviously the dining kitchen area. It's got a really well set up kitchen now. As I say, it feels definitely like a resort, and it feels quite tropical with all of the bamboo and everything else that's around the place. Nice pool bubbling away there. And whoever set this up obviously knows what they're doing. It's all swaled, and you can see that there's a lot of permaculture design in this property. So I'll be kicking off shortly, and I'm looking forward to learning more about the craft of dealing with bamboo. Stay tuned.
Todo iluminado por el sol, una ventana de ilusión, niños jugando y las flores brotando, y en ese instante parece todo volver al antes, todo iluminado por el sol. Una ventana de ilusión, miedo y llanto, una niña buscando entre gritos y espanto, una madre esperando. cuántas heridas llevan, todo lo que ni se debe ver lo vivieron, todo iluminado por el sol. Una ventana de ilusión que nos está pasando.
I've had a great day, so thanks very much, Nikolai. You've been our teacher for the day and you've done a lot of talking about bamboo, so thanks very much.
Okay, thank you for came here and
Sí.
to make me speak in English because it's something to learn.
Sí,
But about this,
sí,
we want to talk, and this is the Guadua chacoensis, a native bamboo from Paraguay that don't have any information, so we need to use and to make a research about the uses of this, and we have a lot and we need to use, but first we need to know how to use, how to plant, how to treat, and how to make a process and a project with that we can use for the construction or furniture or something like handcraft.
sí.
But you have many of these in all that country, and many people don't know how to use it or how to treat it.
Sí.
So I want to share my information and my experience with my team, because I know there is a lot of people that doesn't have information or experience but have in that land this species of bamboo.
Sí. Because you were explaining to me this is indigenous to Paraguay, this particular bamboo.
This particular bamboo is endemic of here. It's called Guadua chacoensis because it's the region of the Gran Chaco, that it's Bolivia, Paraguay, and the north of Argentina, and the south of Brazil and Uruguay.
Sí.
So all that region we can find this. So there is a little bit of information of a laboratory that have proofs that is the most resistant bamboo in the world. They have the more density of fibers in the all of kinds of bamboo in the world.
Wow. Because there's several types of bamboo that's on this property, which is amazing. Like we've been around today and you've shown us a number of different types of bamboo and it's been brilliant. This is like a bamboo sanctuary. But as you were saying, this particular indigenous type of bamboo, there hasn't been a lot of testing with it. So they still really, there's a lot to learn about this indigenous type of Paraguayan bamboo. And this is particularly what you're excited about.
Yeah. For me, this particular bamboo is, I say, the future of Paraguay, because there is a lot and the people doesn't know the value of that. And like the Chinese people or the Indian people who use the bamboo like all days and it's in all the places, we have this and we don't use it. So we can make many projects from a little like a house or like a table, but we can make a project like foresting bamboos in different places. And like you are saying, like in this place, Jasy Kua, we have more than 8 species of bamboo, but this one is the only that can make all the dynamics or all the different possibilities that maybe one bamboo just have 1 or 2 possibilities, but this one you can make all the possibilities of uses or a scale.
That's very exciting. And in a country that has lost so much of its flora and fauna and trees, the thought of bringing back an indigenous species of bamboo and making it more useful and, well, not useful, but plentiful, it's a very exciting thing, isn't it? Because it's truly a Paraguayan bamboo. That's awesome.
we have two kinds. This one, the Guadua chacoensis and the Guadua paraguayana, that are endemic from here, and it's have many plantations naturally. So, like you asked me, there is one plantation of bamboo here,
Sí.
and nobody make a plantation, but the nature, it's the plantation in the nature. So we don't have to make the plantation. We have to treat really good and use really good and search where is and treat carefully to reproduce and to use and don't abuse.
See. And as you were saying earlier, bamboo is an essential part of a permaculture plan because you can use it for so many things.
Yeah. And the spirit of bamboo is sustainability, because you can harvest one, but you are not killing anything. If you harvest a tree, you are killing a tree. But if you go to a place endemic naturally where the chacoensis is, there is a lot. So the chacoensis need us to make the real treatment, to put there more strong, more useful. And if you see, there is many places here in Paraguay, like in the rivers or in the zona of Ibituruzu, and the people doesn't have the information or doesn't have the experience. So how you can treat to compare the use of a tree. So for me, that is something about permaculture and bamboo fusion, because you can use something vegetal, don't kill any vegetal, and make grow better.
See. Well, I know we've bought some property myself, my family, so I'll be asking you to come and consult for us, because we have some needs there with our bamboo, and I understand that you are available to help other people too, potentially, by way of consultation in respect to how they can go about dealing and managing their bamboo plantation, because you really have to know what you're doing and you have to get it done pretty well as soon as you get on your land, because it just doesn't grow overnight, does it?
Yeah, for that the permaculture is really good, the design. First, if you have a land, you have to know what do you need and what do you have.
Yeah.
So for me, my work, I work for the bamboo, and I know that many people have lands with bamboo or have lands and want bamboo. And I really want to share my information experience through the permaculture design, using bamboo to regenerate the trees or the soil, because we saw with my team that the bamboo can make the vegetable the forest go up and make the water don't evaporate and make the soil came more strong and forth. So my vision is to make the bamboo send more values to there and make the people who have lands or who want to take another step way to the city or to the live normally. So I want to share my information and my experience for all that people, sharing the using on the value of the bamboo.
Awesome, man. Well, all I can say is I really appreciate you and your team, what you're doing. I think it's such a wonderful initiative, and in a country that's been so deforested, it brings joy to my heart to know that there are people like yourself, and it won't take long. Like this workshop here, everyone's walked away with some plants. They can go and plant it, and this thing can really take off.
Yeah, that is a vision, because if you came here and know something and you have an interesting about bamboo, if you came here to a course, it's because you are interested in this. So if you, when you go from here to your house, if you bring a bamboo little baby, you have a responsibility to use it, to plant it, to treat it, and to make a place in the world for bamboo.
See, absolutely. Sounds like a good plan, man.
Yeah.
Well, thanks again, buddy.
Thank
I
you,
really appreciate your time. Anyone that wants to contact Nikolai, I'll leave a contact in the description below, and you can contact him, and anything about bamboo, he's going to fix you up. Okay.
Thank you.
As I understand, Nikolai and his team will be running more programs. So that's something for people to keep an eye out for. And Nikolai has definitely got the answers. So I hope that's interesting to people out there. If you do come to Paraguay and you buy some land, I do strongly suggest that you consider getting your head around bamboo, because it's almost impossible to find decent timber here, and if you do, it's going to cost you. So to have a resource that you can just grow plentifully and it's sustainable on your own property, well, that's like gold. So I'm pretty excited. Until next time, take care. Ciao.